friends, welcome to my channel. As we know that Christmas is round the corner, so in this video we are going to make very easy and quick Christmas wreath which can be made in 10 to 15 minutes, and you can make as many as wreaths as you wish to make for this Christmas. So we are going to begin now. Things that we require for the project are yarn of 3 colors. This is the white color, green and leftover yarn of red color, a hair grip, a pair of scissors and a hook that could match to the thickness of the yarn. So let's get started. At first we have to pick up the tail of the yarn of green color, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through to make a slip knot. Now pick up the hair grip, insert the hook into the grip, pull through 2. Now chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. Wrap the yarn on your hook, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2. So this is double crochet. Now wrap the yarn on your hook, insert the hook into the hair grip, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we have to make double crochet across the round into this hair grip to cover this grip with this green color. So complete making double crochet across the hair grip, and we'll meet again when this grip will be covered with these double crochet. Now you can see that we have covered the hair grip with double crochet, and now we are going to join these stitches into the 4th stitch with a slip stitch. Now we have to make chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now we have to join these stitches into the 4th stitch with a slip stitch, and this is going to be the handing for the wreath. Now we have to cut the yarn from here because we are going to add color B to the pattern. To add color B, take the tail of the yarn, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through to make a slip knot. Now insert the hook into the 4th stitch, pull through 2. We have joined the yarn with a slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3 to be joined into the next stitch with a slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3 to be joined into the next stitch with a slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3. We have to join the stitches with a slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3 again to be joined into the next stitch with a slip stitch. So this is how we have to make nice edging for the wreath with this color across the round. So complete making this edging across the round, and we'll meet again when this edging would be completed. Now we have completed making edging for the wreath, and now we have to cut the yarn from here because we are going to add next color to the pattern. So this is the next color. We have to add the color, and now we have to pull out, and now after 3 double crochet we have to pull the yarn into the next stitch. And now after 1, 2, 3 stitches we have to pull the yarn out of the pattern, and again we are going to pull it in after 3 stitches. Again, after 3 stitches, we have to pull the yarn out of the pattern and again after 3 stitches we have to pick up the yarn and pull it out again. So this is how we have to complete this wreath by pulling the yarn in and out of the pattern, and this is very easy to make, and you can make them even if you don't find time for the preparations for Christmas. It is very quick and easy to make. As you can see, we have made in few minutes this beautiful wreath for Christmas. Now this pattern is almost complete. We just have to tie a beautiful knot on the top of this wreath with this color. So we are tying the knot. Now this beautiful pattern for wreath is complete. It is very easy and quick to make, and you can make them in few minutes. Thank you so much.